ideas exhibition. The first team, the supplier teams are here. And I give the micro just to the other person.
Hi everyone. So number one after lunch, tough gig. Okay, so this is us. We're GlobalizeMe. My name's Andy Forkgen and I'm the CTO at GlobalizeMe. We're an Amazon AWS consulting partner and an Azure partner, and many of you probably know us, of course, as a language service partner. So very quickly, because I've got 2 minutes, 4 quadrants. First of all, the problem. So a lot of you guys will know the challenges of sharing files within the enterprise. We've all heard of Dropbox, we've all heard of WeTransfer, but most of these things are not compliant with your customers. Most of them don't meet the security needs of your customers. Your translators maybe can't use them for one reason or the other. Your other partners maybe are not able to use them, but you need to share files securely within a known environment with all of your internal, external resources, and that's really important. The known environment is very important because with the likes of Dropbox, WeTransfer, and so forth, you don't necessarily know where your files are going. You can't hand on heart say to your customer where the files are housed. So we've had these problems. We have to hit GDPR, data processing checkboxes. We have to be ISO 27001 compliant. We've had all these problems. So we built, because we have an in-house development team, a technology division, we built our own secure file sharing platform, digital asset management, that sits on Amazon Web Services primarily, but also on Azure, on Microsoft Azure. Some of you have actually used this system, of course, on various projects. Some of you have had the fun that we've enjoyed of the migration to Azure, and that's been quite challenging based on some very stringent customer penetration testing requirements. But the great thing is we are fully penetration tested by CREST accredited ethical hackers, basically, and that's something we have to go through every year. We're currently deployed within leading retail and pharmaceutical clients across Europe, and we're also pushing into Latin America for another client. We can deploy this completely out of the box, so what we're kind of soft launching today for you guys is an out-of-the-box model based on Amazon Web Services that is very box standard, very kind of set in stone, but it's a subscription-based model, and if you come and see us at the Ideas stand, you can find out a little bit more about the pricing, how the subscription model works, and so on and so forth. We can completely modify the thing. We can run it as we have done, and as some of you know, on Azure for particular clients. We can customize it, we can brand it, we can run on-premise, hybrid, all of those wonderful cloud buzzwords that we can talk to you about later on the Ideas stand. I think that's about it. There's a nice diagram there if you guys want to talk a little bit more about this, about how we deploy this securely, fully load balanced, fully auto-scaled, and with very secure databases. I'm not sure if my 2 minutes is up. I can carry on. I will pass on. Thank you.